Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening the photo and immediately duplicating the background layer. This preserves the original so you can always revert. Once done, check image mode and resolution because blur behaves differently at high DPI. Make sure you decide whether you want overall softness or a selective focal blur. That decision determines whether you'll use a simple filter or layer masks and alpha channels. You're now ready to apply the first blur filter without risking your original pixels. You apply the chosen filter. For even blur, use Gaussian and increase radius gradually until the effect reads natural. For depth, use radial blur positioned on your subject. For speed streaks, try motion blur aligned to movement. As you go, add a layer mask and paint with a soft brush at varying opacity to reveal sharp regions. This lets you keep eyes or edges crisp. Make sure to zoom in and out while refining because perceived blur changes with zoom level. You finish by balancing intensity. Lower layer opacity or try blend modes like normal or screen to subtly reduce strength, then save a flattened export for sharing and keep a layered file for later tweaks. If edges look haloed or jagged, go back and reduce the blur radius, refine the mask with a softer brush, or apply a slight edge-aware sharpening to the subject. Finally, check at full size and at target display size to ensure the blur reads correctly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.